Friends, in any car, rain visor is an important accessory mainly during rainy season. It protects us from any type of drizzling or water drops. And also when we drive our car, it protects us from fog which gets collected on windshield, door, glasses of the car. So in that condition, to maintain the inner and outer temperature, we have to remove the glass. But at that time, if rain is heavy, so you cannot down the glass even a little bit, and if you lower it, so in that condition water may come inside the car. Because of it, moisture comes in the car and it can cause foul smell in the car and many other things, wetting of mat and many more things. Okay guys, so to prevent it, the simple accessory is rain visor that you can fit in your door and is easily available in market. So guys, in today's videos we will tell this only, that how you can fit rain visor with yourself. So friends, you are welcome to one more video of DIYMaster, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. And in today's video, we'll tell you how you can fit this rain visor at your home or workshop with yourself, so that the service may be long lasting. So today the rain visor will fit in Maruti 800. Before this, I had put the rain visor in Suzuki Alto, but I had not released any video of that. But for some people, some of our regular viewers requested us to make this video. You can see that I had put it 2 years earlier and it is still sticked very nicely. All the 4 are as it. So I will tell the same thing in this, that what are the methods and what you have to do precautionary. The first thing is that you have to bring rain visor set from the market, and see this, we have bought this and the cost of this market price is around 500. You can even negotiate something if you know the shopkeeper, but all the hatchbacks we get it in 500 only. First of all, you have to do this. Take a simple mop to clean the areas where we'll fit the rain visor with a wet cloth, so that the dust over it get wipes away. This you have to do on all the 4 doors, and after that you can use any paperable or flammable material like kerosene and petrol or surgical ether, or we can also say it's surgical spirit. You can use them. So come on, let's finish it. So guys, after wiping it with wet cloth, we have little of surgical spirit. You can use anything instead of this. So put this on the cloth nicely, so that any material like resin or any material which may give us difficulty in sticking, it soaks the material inside this cloth. So we'll wipe it once with this. We have to clean it once with this. So let's do this, and as soon as we start cleaning with this, you can see that a different shine will come in this. We don't have to do much cleaning, just wipe it once, because we have cleaned already with wet cloth. With this, we'll remove only the additional layer of wax or any other type of oil which will give us difficulty in sticking. Now guys, after cleaning, first remove the rain visor. By the way, you must have told the shopkeeper that you want the rain visor for this car, but then also we'll remove it out and check the sets and see that either it gets fit for the work you have bought or not. for example, in 800, 4 pieces should be there for Suzuki 800. So Suzuki 800 has many types, type 1, type 2 and type 3, and so we will check it thoroughly on every place without removing this double-sided tape. So come on, we'll check it once before removing the tape. We have to check it once that the fitting is good or not. The fitting is like this, that there is gap from every side and it fits properly. So you can see here that the gap is going well, so we can fit it like this. So now the checking is done of the previous one. So if this side is okay, then another side must be also okay. So we'll fit the second one also. This also, see here, the curve which comes here, we have to match this curves. We fitted it here. So now you can see here that it is going little bit out. So maybe we have to fold it a little bit like this. It is going little bit different. So we'll see how can this be treated. So guys, you can see the behind one also we have stick the back doors also. Now you can see here that these gaps should be equal, so that its fitting will be very good. After fitting this, shake it a little bit so you will realize it. And same thing we have done with the second one. With the second side also, we have also tried to stick this properly on the driver side. And this thing you have to see that the gap should be distributed equally. From it, this will happen that the portion sticked will be properly sticked. Now come on, let's fit the front one also. So guys, while fitting this front one, you have to take care of a small thing. Do not remove this tape whole at once. First remove half and then fit half portion and then see it from here that the front portion fits well or not. Because see, if we stick this now, then it goes little bit forwards. So we'll have to do this is take it equally. So for this we'll remove only small parts of tape instead of removing the whole tape at once. So it will stick easily. So now come, let's stick this. So guys, finally after fitting it, you have to see one more thing. When you see from behind, so its design or location of both should look almost same and the equal curve should be made. It means from here you can see the distance. In this there is slight up and down. Maybe there is any difference in the design or there may be any difference in positioning of the door. Here this side curve is almost well, and if we see this side, then this also looks very well. After fitting, the car's look also become very much better. And the problem of this going forward is also finished because the distance was covered from this curve. So you can see that this is also fitted in a very well manner, but here a gap is created. For this you can use hot air gun to stick this and fill the gap very nicely. For now we don't have hot air gun, but we'll definitely do this afterwards. So guys, anyways, I hope you will have liked this small tutorial video which was on fitting rain visor. So let's meet in our next video. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show links and enjoy watching the video.